Students, next we can do the question number 2, 5.1, exercise 5.1, question number 2. Write first 4 terms of the AP. So you have to write the first 4 terms. First term, comma, second term, comma, third term, comma, fourth term. Okay, you have to write the 4 terms of an AP when the first and the common difference D are given as follows. So first and common difference D are given in the question. What is D common difference? First term A. Okay. So you have to write the first 4 terms. First part, A is equal to 10. D is equal to 10. So now I am giving one equation. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. How it comes? This is very important equation. Okay. A plus N minus 1 into D. This is plus A plus N minus 1 into D. How it comes? Because already I told you A1 first term, A2 second term, A3, A4 till AN minus 1, AN. This is the general form of an AP. A1, A2, A3 and continuing till AN. This is the general form of an AP. Okay. So, suppose I am writing one example here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and till I am writing 100. So first term A1 is equal to 5. Second term A2 is equal to 10 here. Third term A3 is equal to 50. And last term AN. Last term we can represent AN is equal to 100 here. And the common difference. See this A1 after A2. A1 is equal to 5. Okay. A2 we will get like this. A plus n minus 1 into D, this equation. A means 5 plus n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2, this number. So 2 minus 1, 1 into what is D? D means common difference. Here it is 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus 10. Difference between two neighboring numbers. Neighboring numbers means two adjacent numbers. 25 minus 20, 5. 20 minus 15, 5. 15 minus 10, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. So all these cases the difference is equal to 5. That is called common difference D. Okay. D is equal to 5. So we will get A2 is equal to A plus N minus 1. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 5. So 1 into 5, 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We got the second term. If you want to get third term, A3 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Same equation. So we will get A 5 plus N minus 1. Here it is 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 into D is equal to always 5. So 5 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 10, 15. Got the third term. Okay. So next, fourth term A4. Same equation. A 5 plus N minus 1. 4 minus 1. 3 into D 5. So 5 plus 3 into 5, 15. We got 20. So 20. So in this way we can apply this equation A plus N minus 1 into D. So we will get the term. So I am doing the first question. First question, first part. Question number 2, first part. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So we have to write first 4 terms of the AP. A is equal to 10. So this 10 we can write the first term. We have to write more 3 terms. Okay. So this one A1 is equal to 10. A2 is equal to what equation? A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is D which is given? 10. A is equal to what? A is equal to 10 which is given in the question. So I am writing A 10 plus N minus 1. Here it is N is equal to 2. This number you have to take it as N. So 2 minus 1. 1 into this is D. Common difference D is equal to 10. So 10 plus 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So second term you got it 20. Third term a3, a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? 10 plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2 into d is equal to 10 only. So we will get 10 plus 2 into 20, 2 into 10, 20. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So you got it 30. A4, which is equal to same equation, 10 plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 into 10, which is equal to, we will get 40. So fourth term 40. So by using the same equation, see this 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus first term plus common difference 20. Again 20 plus common difference 30. 30 plus common difference 40. Simply you can get it like this, but you can use the same equation also for getting 1, 2, 3, 4 equation, 4 numbers. Okay, so 10 plus common difference 10, 20, 20 plus common difference 10, 30, 30 plus common difference 10, 40, 4 numbers 40. In the second part a is equal to minus 2, d is equal to 0. So in this case common difference is equal to 0. So if the common difference is equal to 0, no need to add anything, no need to subtract anything. So you will get first term is equal to a1 is equal to minus 2, a2 is equal to same, no need to add anything, no need to subtract anything, because the common difference is equal to 0, is equal to minus 2, a3 is equal to minus 2, a4 is equal to minus 2. So the AP means arithmetic progression is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and continuing like this. This is the AP. Okay. In the third case, third part, a is equal to 4, d is equal to minus 3. So first one, a1 you will get first term 4. Next a2, equation is a2 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 4 plus n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 into d is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. You will get answer is equal to 1. So this one will be the second term. Next third term, a3, same equation, a 4 plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, so that is 2 into d. D is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Next a4, same, a is equal to 4. 4 plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3 into d is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So you will get the number like this. So the four numbers are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and continuing like this. This is the required AP. You have to write the 4 numbers. Okay. Remaining part, do it as homework.